All right, this is Arvin from the VRARA, and go ahead and introduce yourself. Tell us who you're with, and tell us a little bit about what you do.
Sure, yeah, my name's Gordon Bell. I am actually the chapter president for Silicon Valley VRARA Association, but I also work in business development and marketing at Test Assured, which is a leading QA test service based in Silicon Valley.
Awesome. So tell us what you're excited about in the enterprise and public sector with the cross of AI and XR.
I think I'm most excited about the advances and how quickly they're coming. Both from a hardware standpoint, I know that when I let people try on some of the latest hardware in our space, they're really quite surprised by the quality of the graphics, the fluid motion, everything like that. And then you add into new things like AI and being able to do AI-based chatbots and AI-based support. I think those are all kind of rapidly approaching things that are a lot more accessible and interesting for business markets. So those things, while in the very early stages, maybe the graphics weren't there and people had problems putting on the headset, I think that's really changing a lot. And we're seeing that both from the hardware as well as the software that's coming along with it.
Awesome. So tell us a little bit about how has the VRARA Association helped with your goals?
So I actually joined as a member of the VRARA Association a little bit more than 2 years ago because I was really excited about getting together with local enthusiasts that are interested in this space that we call VRAR or XR. But I got integrated and working with the Silicon Valley chapter pretty quickly. I got asked to participate in marketing and overall growth for that chapter. And now, fast forward to where I'm at now, I'm a chapter president. I'm very excited about helping all of our partners as well as our members that are looking to either talk about their technology, about their products. Sometimes they're big companies like the Metas and HTCs of the world. Other times they're a one-person company that are just getting off the ground and everything in between. And the great thing about our VRAR Association is that it's a supportive group, a collection of individuals in the space that are actively, promoting as well as learning about VR/AR.
Yeah, I agree. I definitely agree. So last question.
Yeah.
What's the most interesting AR/VR thing or project that you've seen?
You're gonna laugh because I see you wearing them, but working in technology for 20 plus years, you see a lot of different products. The product that I keep going back to that's a surprise hit in my mind and in my world is the Meta Ray-Ban product. I love them. I thought they would be interesting when I got my first pair of them. And I thought, well, how am I going to use this? I already have a phone that has pictures and all that kind of stuff I can take. But I find myself using my Meta Ray-Bans a lot more than I had ever anticipated. So I promote it quite a bit on LinkedIn. But in general, I'm excited as the industry is growing because everything is getting better. Every headset out there is substantially better than it was 2-3 years ago. And like I said, every time we go to events that people are not necessarily tracking all the newest things in VR/AR, when they put on a headset, they're shocked at how the graphics have really come a long way. So I'm most excited about our space and our growth that we've seen in terms of quality.
Awesome. Is there any last thing you want to mention that you're excited or are looking forward to?
No, just in general, I think VR/AR is an exciting industry for us. We're constantly seeing new products coming out, new applications, new industries using VR and AR. I think it's a lot of growth in 2025 for all the different industries that we're looking at. We have a lot of interest from whether it's academic applications, industrial applications, business applications, educational applications. There's a lot of different things that VR and AR is being adopted into.
Awesome. Well, thank you for taking the time to chat with us today.
Yes, thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Cheers.